Hi friends, and welcome to yet another moto camping adventure. I got the bike all packed up and we're officially ready to roll out. I don't think I'm going to record much of this ride, maybe when we get into the beautiful West Virginia mountains, but it is going to thunderstorm today. Here's a screenshot of my route essentially, and the rain I'm going to be riding through. So we are definitely going to be gearing up in our rain gear. I got everything all prepared, waterproof. My tank bag has a waterproof layer. And it is exactly 1 week since I left for Babe's ride out. So this stuff has been tried and tested. We rode through about 350 miles of nonstop rain through Pennsylvania last week, and I only have about a 300-mile ride today. It will take a longer time. The rain is going to add some extra delays, and the very twisty West Virginia roads in the rain doesn't sound ideal, so I'm going to be very careful. First things first, we gotta finish packing up, and then I gotta go fill old girl up because she needs gas, and then we're gonna hit the road. Let's go. Just hit gas stop number 1. I believe we have 168 more miles to go, which will be about 3 hours. So we better get our butts back on the road. We just got to our second gas stop. So far we've avoided missing some really big storms, but look who I ran into. Biker Babe Beth! Hey, what's up? So we are going to the same event. Biker Babe Beth is going to Grits and Glory as well. We just so happened to meet on a random West Virginian highway, and we're finishing up our ride, heading there. So let's go. As you could clearly tell, it's pouring, and I must say, having this tent, it's gonna be real nice setting up in here. Even though I'm already soaking wet, I have all of my belongings on the ground, but at least I have somewhere dry to stand up and start setting up my campsite. So let's set up. is the air mattress. Let that get all puffed up and warm. All right, I think we got everything set up. I got some stuff hanging up to dry out. My chair is set up, some miscellaneous outside, and then I'm just hoping everything can kind of dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and zip it up to keep the bugs out. And now let's go see what everyone else is up to. So they actually offered me one of those little teepees this year if I wanted to sleep in one, and I said, you know what? I want to get as many women out here camping as possible, and a lot of women hate camping, so if I can make it any more comfortable for them, don't worry, I'll tent camp. You guys can sleep in the teepee. Hi guys! Sorry, I was taking a nap. I'm kidding. We got the merch table. Sag and bag and berry baby. I feel like Erica. Kind of looks like Queen State right now. She's got that swagger. I think I'm gonna get that one. Okay, so we got dinner tonight. Hot dog, Doritos, potato salad, and it's hitting the spot. Oh yeah. You guys are killing it, man. Hi, sweet. Look who made it. You made it! Woo! We got Stacy Wilt from Ride to Food and Narissa here. They just rolled in. Party starting officially.
So gather round, boys. This is the last time you're gonna see me in one piece. Because I really screwed up with this.
All right, well, we are going to continue to drink and party for the rest of the night. We will see you guys first thing in the morning to go riding. Thanks for watching. Good night. Good night.
Good morning. It was a pretty restful night of sleep, I think. It's time to get up and get some coffee. I'm so ready for this rainy weather to go away. I think it's going to be a beautiful day, and I can't wait to see where the day takes us. Thank you. You're welcome.
Coffee was wonderful, much needed that. So let's hop on the bikes and see where the day takes us. All right, I think we got our destination going for the first ride of today. I think we're gonna go check out Blackwater Falls. A lot of you subscribers who live in the West Virginia area have been telling me to go to Blackwater Falls for a while now. And honestly, the reason I haven't really ventured out much when I come to these events is because there is zero cell service out here. We went to the local store, got on their Wi-Fi, checked out the routes, and it's going to be a 46-minute ride to get there. I am so thankful that it is dry and sunny today. So this should be a beautiful ride. So let's enjoy it. We just made it to Blackwater Falls. Beth is with me. Never been here before. Apparently you gotta, I don't want to say hike. That's a strong word. I just got bit by a mosquito already on my forehead.
So we're officially hiking then.
We're hiking.
Yeah.
Bugs.
It's not too bad. I can hear the water just down the trail.
Oh, this is pretty.
It's like Fern Gully. And I forgot.
Let's go see the falls. Legit the biggest waterfall I've ever seen in my life. Worth it. Mission accomplished. We saw the waterfalls. Absolutely amazing. We just had very, very heavy rain here too, so the falls are like incredible. I think it's time to head into town and maybe grab a beer. Let's go. I don't know if you guys remember from last year's video, but you gotta walk through this beautiful little forest path to get to the swimming hole. I have a feeling it's gonna be a bit busy, but I'm excited. Let's go swimming. Stacy, are you so excited to finally get a swimming hole?
Absolutely.
Swimming hole! Swimming hole! I want to see the tadpoles. Oh, they're big tadpoles.
Oh, I know sizes.
I'm so excited.
Yeah.
All right, we're getting in. I didn't buy water shoes because that was cheap. Regret number one. Okay, when I go floating away, it's been nice knowing you guys.
Save you?
No, yeah, maybe. Let me put my feet down.
Well, we were trying to get to you before that.
Yeah.
I heard the song Astronaut Nation.
No.
So every time I get into it, I'm like, oh, it looks like Astronaut
So
Nation.
my friend originally drew one that it was sipping tea with an octopus.
This is how you get the views.
Like, man, I really wish I got that one tattooed on me. After all these years, I wish I would have gotten that one done. But then I have a chocolate bunny. Like nice.
Cheers.
Like you're still family, so you need to get along with them.
We're double fisted.
So you gotta find that.
Oh my god. Like and subscribe. Come to my funeral. Oh my god, I can't stop. This is scary. Where's the floor? Okay, I found it. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna shut the camera off now because this is a life and death situation. If you guys ever want to know why I'm so obsessed with all of these women-only motorcycle camping events, it's this right here. This is the most wholesome, safe, happy, like everyone's having a good time. So these are my people. All right, we're gonna swim around for a little bit and then go back to camp and party it up. So we made it to our destination. What's this place called again? Gateway Family Restaurant. I can't even get, like, you guys, it's not gonna do it justice on camera. The view here is insane. I just can't get over it. It's these rolling green hills. Makes me very aware that, like, Sasquatch is real. Come on. We're gonna go eat some good home cooked food and some pie.
Oh my gosh, that was so much food. So good, so good. Time to go back to camp. Maybe pack up a little bit and have a couple drinks. Alright guys, we are officially wrapping up this night. I thought we would be raging and partying a lot more. It seems like we're all really tired from riding and swimming today. So I think we're gonna take it easy the rest of the night, head to bed, and then wake up bright and early and hit the road. So I will see you guys in the morning, and we're gonna ride out of here. Alright guys, well that's all she wrote. Got the bike all packed up, the camp is all cleaned up, and we're ready to hit the road and hopefully avoid the weather. So let's go ahead and hop on the bike.
Got most of the gear on. Girls are slowly starting to wake up. That's Biker Babe Beth's tent over there. We had so much fun hanging out together. Go subscribe to Biker Babe Beth, as well as Ride to Food. I'm gonna try to wait as long as possible before I start my bike because it's loud. This campsite was absolutely amazing, you guys. It was so much better than the one last year because the one last year we didn't have a pavilion, and if we didn't have that pavilion, the rain we had Friday night, oh, that would have been so miserable. I'm a little bummed this morning because you won't be able to see the beautiful Seneca Rocks up above us. They are completely covered by clouds. It's gonna be a wet, damp, misty morning through the West Virginia mountains. Some meditation, huh? Cool. Well, there was a ton of beautiful scenic country roads that I had in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that kind of riding, that kind of video editing and work. Let me know down in the comments if you've actually made it this far in this video and you enjoyed the video so far, because this was a long weekend and it was a lot of work to put together. Goodbye, little babbling brook. And here we go to hit the road. Goodbye, Yokums. So it is, let's see here, 6:31 in the morning. I woke up at 5 a.m. and I officially kind of like sat up and started packing around 5:45. So it took me 45 minutes from the moment I sat up and started packing to completely like 100% hop on the bike and leave. So for those of you who, if there's any takeaway that a lot of the women have learned over the past couple weeks between Babe's Ride Out and riding to Grits and Glory, is you do much better time when you're by yourself. And that's not a slight against anybody riding in groups. Obviously, it's very fun, very safe. Well, I wouldn't say safe, but it's safe to have a buddy system, essentially. I love traveling alone. I'll meet up with people at events, I'll ride with you at the events, but when I'm trying to get somewhere and it takes multiple gas stops, my bike is fully loaded down, I prefer to travel alone, to be completely honest. I'm on my own time, I don't have to worry about anybody else. If I'm caught in a rainstorm, I can just pull over or power through. When I'm riding solo, I can take up any side of the road that I want, so it's a good, and it's also good for my mind. It's very good me time in my head. So enough blabbing. I'm thoroughly enjoying this crisp morning air and this beautiful twisty road. Thank you guys so much for coming with me again on another Grits and Glory run this year. If you haven't checked out the video from last year, we had a few different faces in last year's video and it was equally just as fun. I would say we had a wee bit more fun at last year's Grits and Glory than we did this year. And when I say fun, I mean adult beverages, because
This year the rain just took it out of us, man. After riding for 5 hours in the rain, it was hard to kind of feel like energized and wanting to like have fun and party with your friends. So we just took it easy. I rode all day yesterday with Ride to Food. Like I said, go subscribe to Ride to Food's channel. Daisy and I had a wonderful time ripping through these twisty roads and just experiencing some wonderful West Virginian cuisine. And I can't wait to do it again. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And until my next one, you be good, and I will see you later.